an air fryer. There are large versions, compact versions, and air fryers with 1 or 2 drawers. Not sure where to start? I'm Lola, and in this video, I'll tell you all about it. Everything you need to know about air fryers, so you can make the perfect choice. The size you choose depends on how you plan to use it and how many portions you want to prepare. If you have a kitchen where you like to give all your appliances their own spot, then an L-sized model is a great option. It actually takes up less space on your countertop. But if you often have the whole family over, you might want to go for an XXL model. With that, you can make fries for 6 or more people. That's perfect for a fun evening together, of course. And don't forget the XL. Those are in between and are perfect for up to 5 servings. An air fryer with a single basket is ideal if you only want to prepare 1 ingredient at a time. If you want to fry a portion of fries, 1 frying drawer is perfect. But if you want to prepare a full meal, like fries and bitterballen at the same time, it'll take a bit more time because you'll have to cook the ingredients one after the other. If you choose an air fryer with 2 baskets, you can prepare 2 different ingredients at the same time. The advantage of having 2 drawers is that you don't need to use any other kitchen appliances, like a pan or your oven. Whether you want to whip up a quick snack or cook an elaborate dinner for the whole family, there's always an air fryer model that fits your needs. Still have questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. And definitely let me know what you'll be making in your new air fryer. Bye!